Well, I bought myself a Canopy, which has just arrived. Just as well as arrived today, because not that much going on until I get my supplies. So yeah, the Canopy's going to go up on the garage here. Pretty much full length, open out. Just if it's raining and I can't get a car all the way in the garage and I'm working on it, comes out about 2 meters. So at least then this area I'm going to be sheltered. Yeah, that's the only real purpose for it, to be honest, but probably look good as well. Doesn't really need any shade for the sun. Yeah, put a washing line up as well. Get in, twin one. Happy days. Right, get cracking with this. Jelly jelly.